Let us start. Now, I want to discuss how you solve the problem of linear equations by substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. This is very, very important. The question may be asked on this concept. So, this is a tool by which you can solve the problem. So now you must know how will you find the solution was by substitution method. Now I want to discuss this problem by explaining an example. Suppose here 7x minus 15y plus 2 is equal to equation number 1 and x plus 2y plus 3 is equation number 2. So now how will you solve the problem by substitution method? First we write the equation and convert it in the term of x or y. Here we converted this equation in term of y. So by putting the value of x in equation, first it will be 7 times 3 minus 2y minus 15y is equal to 2. And it will be y is equal to 19 by 29 after simplification. Similarly, in step, by putting the value of y, we will get the value of x. So in this way, we have the value of x is equal to 49 by 29 and y is equal to 19 by 29. Now we verify this equation by putting the value of x and y in both the equations so that you will get 100% mark. There is no chance of mistake. So you must verify your answer in the examination. So keep in your mind. Now I want to solve next problem. My dear student, in next problem we solve the problem by elimination method. So similarly, as I have already explained in the problem by which you can solve the problem involving substitution method. Now, I also explain how you solve the problem involving elimination method. First, you write the equation. Here, 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000 and 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000. So, we want to solve this problem by substitution method. So, how will you solve the problem by substitution method? Now, you multiply either equation first or equation second by non-zero number such that at least either the coefficient of x or the coefficient of y should be eliminated. So now, for this purpose, for this objective, we here multiply the first equation. We want to find the value of x, so we want to make cancel y. For the purpose, we multiply the equation first by the coefficient of y, which is in equation second, and equation second by the coefficient of y, which is in first. And we have 27x minus 12y, 6000, and 20x minus 12y. So now, what do you observe? We have the value of x is equal to 2000 after simplification. And by putting the value of x is equal to 2000, you can get the value of y is equal to 4000. Therefore, the solution of the equation is x is equal to rupees 2000 and y is equal to rupees 4000. So in this way, we have the monthly incomes of the person are 18,000 and 14,000 respectively. Thank you. Thank you.